Dear students, I am going to start with TDS. Let's see what TDS is. I have written TDS is nothing but tax deducted at source. What is tax deducted at source? It means whatever you have earned the income, you will not receive the full amount of your income. In that, certain portion will be deducted by the payer. That is called tax deducted at source. And what he does is he is going to submit to the income tax department. Now, what tax deducted at source? I have written here. Tax deducted at source is nothing but from your source of income certain amount is deducted. Now, what is this TDS is all about? It is nothing but income tax mechanism. You can see it is an income tax mechanism used by IT department. For what it is used? Why? To avoid the tax evasion. What we know, what is tax evasion? Tax evasion is nothing but people would like to hide the income and they don't want to pay the tax on that particular. Suppose if the TTS has been cut, they cannot hide the tax because already their information beforehand it is gone to the IT department. That's how the income tax department will recover the tax. Let us take the example on X Limited company and Mr. Y. Let us see, Mr. Y is a service provider. When he says service provider, he can be any person. Either he can be an advocate, he can be a chartered accountant, he can be an engineer, architect and whatsoever. So, let's see what he has been done. You can see the arrow. I have shown the arrow here. It means Mr. Y has rendered the service to Mr. X for rupees 2 lakhs and has raised the invoice for rupees 2 lakhs. Now what X Limited is going to do with that? X Limited has already received the service on rupees 2 lakhs. Now he has to pay 2 lakh rupees to Mr. Y. But does he pay rupees 2 lakh? No, he will not pay. What he do is certain amount as a rate by way of TDS. He will deduct from it before making the payment. Let's assume X Limited deducts 10% TDS before making payment to Mr. Y. Let's see the steps. First step is for rupees 2 lakh 10% TDS is being deducted. That is called 20,000 rupees. And next rupees 20,000 what X Limited is going to do? He is going to submit, he is going to deposit into the bank and from the bank it will be transferred to the central government. It is a central government revenue TDS. Now we have to understand that X Limited has taken the money 20,000. Does he immediately deposits? No, he don't deposit because every time there can be a transaction more than one or it can be in hundreds in a day for the X Limited company. So he will not be submitting and depositing in the bank and he is going every day. For him, the limit time has been given from the government is 1 month. Once in a month he has to deposit into a bank. And that amount will be transferred to the income tax department, that will be gone to the central government. But what happens here is Mr. Y shows in his income, in his books of account, rupees 2 lakh received from X Limited, but actually he received his rupees 1,80,000.